Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to put password on a Firefox browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Firefox browser from any other browser, and then you just need to go and let's check out what we have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen we have the search box where you can go and search for anything that you would of course like, and in the top right corner also. Now here you can go and add shortcuts, open new tabs, and in the top right corner we have the three lines where you can go and find settings and all of these things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and put password on the Firefox browser. So to add a password to your Firefox browser, you can use the master password feature. Go and launch Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines and click here and click on settings, which is, as you can see, almost at the bottom. Go on the left tab and click on privacy and security. Scroll down to logins and password. So here you have the passwords. Now click the box next to use a primary password. So you can here. Then when you click there, a dialog will appear prompting you to set a primary password, enter a desired password and confirm it. Click OK to save your settings. This will protect your saved logins and passwords with a master password, adding an extra layer of security to your Firefox browser. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.